Well, then now this way.
So, okay, you broke the rule. Did you not see these?
Oh, there's a tree.
Are you off? Hey, buddy, are you off the rope? You off? Okay. Coming in. Oh!
Okay, now there's 2 people. Okay, now you can go.
No, I can go.
Go, Rob.
Clear!
No. Don't go.
Alright, you don't even.
Don't listen to him.
Don't listen to him.
Because there's 3 people now.
Because what?
There's 3 people. Do not listen to Brea. Because there's only 3 people.
Yeah, but this is a double tree. This can hold 6.
Alright, Doris, ready?
Yeah, you might fall off.
I think we're good.
Do not go. Do not listen to Brant when he says clear. Because there's 3 people. I'll tell you when to go. Two zip lines at the same time.
2
Yeah, awesome.
back to back.
Okay.
That was key.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, go.
That has the speed. Yeah.
Hi, Grandpa.
Oh, that works.
2 zip lines. Isn't that cool? 2 zip lines. Hey, do I go?
No, wait a second.
No, wait
Do I go?
until she's clear. Now she's clear.